Leather can either have a matte or a glossy finish. New leather in modern cars is generally matte, whereas patent leather has a high gloss finish. There are certain characteristics that give leather its glossy or matte finish, and these can be viewed clearly when leather is placed under a microscope. Glossy leather is always smooth, and light reflects from smooth surfaces at the same angle it hits the surface. This reflection of light in a specular direction makes smooth surfaces appear shiny to the human eye. Matte surfaces, on the other hand, are rough, causing the light to reflect in scattered directions. They therefore look matte and appear brighter to the human eye. Whether shiny or matte leather is perceived as beautiful is a matter of taste. Old leather often has a beautiful gloss. Modern car leather is rather dull and therefore more noble. Glossy leather looks more plastic-like in such vehicles. Sometimes leather becomes shinier due to the general use. Steering wheels and the driver's seat are the most commonly affected areas. The back seat bench usually retains its original level of gloss. Incorrect care or insufficient care results in the buildup of dirt and grease and fills the throgs of the rough surface. Contact with hands or friction caused by body weight on the seats causes the peaks of these uneven surfaces to become flattened, making leather appear smoother and glossier. To make such leather matte again, the leather must first be thoroughly cleaned. The Colourlock Strong Leather Cleaner and the Colourlock brush are the first choice. Thoroughly clean the surface and remove any cleaning residues with a soft, clean and moist cloth. Sometimes the cloth is produced by shoe polish or other care products. In such cases, you should also use the Colourlock Leather Cleaning Spirit. The Strong Leather Cleaner is an excellent dirt dissolver, but waxes and fats are easier to remove with Leather Cleaning Spirit. This gives the leather a uniform matte look overall. However, the surface can appear very dull and starved of oils. Fats or waxes or shoe care products are designed to make leather shiny, and these products should not be applied under any circumstances. The Colourlock Leather Protector is the first choice for old leather and the Colourlock Leather Shield for newer leather. Rub the product in a soft cloth and apply thinly and evenly. If visible irregularities are caused by the application on the surface, these excesses can be wiped off again after drying with a slightly moist cloth. However, do not polish, as this renews gloss. The inherent qualities of dull leather make it unavoidable that the leather will get shinier with time. However, if the recommended maintenance of 1 or 2 cleaning and care procedures are carried out at regular intervals every year, there should be no excessive gloss. Matte leather can also be made shinier. To a small extent, this can be achieved by polishing the leather carefully with Colourlock Elephant Leather Preserver. But don't apply too much, because the leather gets too greasy. Large differences in the degree of gloss cannot be compensated by application of leather care products. This can only be done with binders which act as a clear lacquer. This step should always be well thought, and always ask for advice from a leather specialist before carrying out any such steps. Incorrect attempts or use of products can make the resulting gloss level appear uneven, or the binder layer can partially peel off again. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and if you want to know more interesting facts about leather, please visit www.leather-dictionary.com. A detailed description and further tips on many leather problems can also be found at www.colourlock.com. Thanks for watching.